Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts Academy out of Dolores, Colorado. I'm here today with my friend Mr. James. He is gonna be helping me show you guys front choke technique. Now, how we do front choke technique is we're gonna demonstrate it here in the air real quick. The very first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a left hand spear to the eyes. Then we're gonna go ahead and right uppercut into the chest, like specifically right here in the solar plexus is what we're looking for. From here, our open hand is gonna grab our closed hand and we're gonna cinch really, really tight to our right hand side. Now, from here, we're gonna go ahead and do a small rear crossover and then we're gonna bring our right hand to the outside. Then we're gonna go ahead and C-clamp our hands closed, or chomp, what we call it in the kids class. And then we're just gonna go ahead and unspin and give it a nice little elbow. So, how does this work when somebody's actually got their hands on us? Well, that's why I got Mr. James. Mr. James right up against the wall for me. Okay, good. So from right here, when I put my hands on him, he's gonna go through this nice and slow. So spear to the eyes and then uppercut into the stomach. Now this gets his hands into position for this first cinch. He's gonna grab his hand and he's gonna cinch tight. Now from right here, that takes care of my right hand. Now I've still got a hand on him, so he's gonna do this fun little rear crossover and then he's gonna bring his right hand around to the outside of my left arm and then he's gonna finish the technique by unspinning, elbowing me in the face, and then reversing. Now, James, hold this for a second so we can show him the detail. So how he's got me here twisted up is this nice little double arm bar, and then that reversal puts me right up against the wall. And from here, he can kind of do whatever he wants. He can disengage, he can hit me if he needs to, but that's kind of how we do it. So, Mr. James, let's go through it one more time a little bit quicker. So we're here, two, boom, nice, and through. Now, very good. Now that's for up against the wall. Now, I get this question all the time. What happens if we take it from the ground? So Mr. James is gonna go ahead and go to the ground here, and I'm gonna take him from full mount position, right? So I'm back here, I've got control of his hips, okay? And I'm just gonna be putting a lot of pressure on him. Now the technique doesn't change. He's still gonna spear to the eyes, uppercut, boom. He's gonna grab this hand here. A lot of you jiu-jitsu guys will recognize this arm clamp right here. Now, he's gonna bring his Pac-Man around and he's gonna bridge up instead of rear crossover. So now when he elbows, boom, he's gonna get a nice reversal and then he's got me in a really precarious situation. So let's do that one more time, Mr. James. Good, yeah, scooch this way just a little bit. Good. So, I've got him here, he moves, 1, 2, boom, pull, up, nice, I can't post, and then he's got me right here. All right, thank you very much, Mr. James. Good. All right, yeah, just right over here. So that's our front choke technique. Once again, demonstrated up against the wall and also down on the ground. Now, if you guys have any questions, make sure you're leaving them in the comments, but mostly like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, Mr. James, let's give him an awesome.
Awesome.